Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to break down the zero gravity double bubble windscreen install on our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400 STG project bike. Okay, let's open up with packaging. The zero gravity double bubble windscreen. It came with a outer bag. I already pulled it out of there. And then they wrapped the screen in another protective cover. Let's take a look at the profile here as compared to that stock screen, just kind of give you an idea. Definitely going to have a much more bubble-shaped profile. This thing is really flat from the factory. We're showing you the clear one right now during the install. It's important to understand this is available in clear, light smoke, dark smoke, and we can even special order a ton of different colors for you if you're willing to wait a little bit for it, because they have to produce those essentially one by one. Installation, very simple. We've already done this with the hot body screen. You're just going to remove both of the OEM mirrors. These are 4mm internal hex fasteners. I've got a 4T handle here. It's important to note, as soon as you have these fasteners out, those mirrors are going to come right off. So you want to make sure you support them. Over to the other side. And now the last one here, last of the 4 fasteners, once you pull this, the screen could fall off as well. So you want to make sure you've got a hand on everything so you don't lose it. So pretty basic job. You really don't need any significant tools, okay? Just kind of side by side these real quick. You can see it's really different. It's substantially different, okay? Ugly, gorgeous. This does come with a set of instructions and some anti-vibration gaskets. They want you to install these like so, okay? Trim to fit. So we're going to put those in place. Then the screen itself is installed after that. And now we'll get just one of the mirrors here, get started. There's really, with the gaskets in place, there's nothing there for the screen to kind of hook onto and hold onto, so you need to make sure you support it during the install. Okay, just let that hang. Come on over to the other side. You do still want to make sure that, because those posts are going to be inside of the screen a little bit, you want to make sure the screen's not sitting directly on top of that post. If you pinch it in between the post and the mirror and then put a bunch of torque on it, there is a possibility you could damage the windscreen during the install. Okay, so I'll use a T-handle. I'm not going to put any torque to them. I'm just going to run them all down finger tight. All right, so we've got everything flush. Do the same on the other side. Zero Gravity's been doing this a long time. You know, I want you to think of their windscreens as it's a high quality screen for sure. They always fit nice, really clear to look through. Several different shapes. We're going to do a couple of videos on the Ninja 400 actually. Okay, I want to make sure that that is still positioned correctly. Okay, so we don't have the screen pinched. Once I'm sure there. We'll go ahead and put some final torque to this. I'm going to run each of them down, and come back and apply final torque. Make sure they're nice and even. I'll pass over this a couple of times. If you're not running mirrors, if you've got mirror eliminators, you're still going to use those gaskets during the install. And you can see now the profile, we definitely have more of a bubble. They're the ones that really coined the phrase double bubble. That's their name. You can see that it's essentially a raised bubble in the center of the main body of the screen. Looks really good. If you want some color to it, we can do that. That's special order. You're going to have to email or call us to make that happen. But the stock colors are going to be clear that you see here, light smoke as well as dark smoke. This is the zero gravity double bubble windscreen install on our 2018 STG Kawasaki Ninja 400 project bike.